We'll return to PBS NewsHour Weekend in a couple of minutes. But first, some local news. Ready or not, here it comes. Open enrolment for the Affordable Care Act kicks off this Tuesday, and that means everyone knows how it works, right?
Not a lot of people know too much about it. I mean, I only know the basics.
I feel pretty in the dark about it.
Actually, I really don't know anything about the Care Act.
So for those without health insurance, here are some of the basics.
On October 1st, they are able to go online, fill out one application for them and their families. They are able to see right then and there what type of tax assistance they're able to receive for their premiums, and they're able to look at the plans that they can purchase in plain English with no fine print, compare them side by side, and they're actually able to purchase the care right then and there. They will get the care effective January 1st.
Texas opted not to operate its own exchange, and it defaulted to the federal government. So the federal government is setting up the exchanges for Texas. The plans are offered at 4 different levels, and the content of the plans will be the same. The difference will be the amount of the cost that the person will pay as opposed to the plan will pay.
And if you let the open enrollment deadline pass without being covered, either through your employer or a plan you've purchased, it's going to cost you.
People who think that they can wait and they can see what happens and they can figure it out later are being misled. If you don't sign up and you are an adult over the age of 18 and you do not fit into some fairly narrow exceptions, you will have to pay a tax penalty.
Open enrollment starts in 2 days, and if you find you have more questions than answers, or you want to find out more about the different plans available, you can go to healthcare.gov. For Houston Public Media, I'm Edel Howland. Now back to PBS NewsHour Weekend.